Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to talk about something that a lot of people have been asking me and something that I've noticed myself, and it's that I have been noticing in the last 2 weeks that I follow the S&P 500, so the SPY ticker symbol, and I have been noticing that we're getting very close to the resistance levels at 70 coming in into the actual overbought territory. Now, if you notice, the S&P 500 has been trading, with resistance to that point of overbought at 70 on the RSI indicator. However, I think that every time we're very close to this line right here, markets tend to drop. They tend to correct. I believe also that the fear and the greed index is currently now sitting at 63, which I believe this is a great indicator that the market's about to it could correct. When there's a lot of greed, usually markets tend to correct. There's probably going to be a correction soon. Again, you gotta look at all these things to make sure that you reduce your position. My recommendation is, and this is what I'm going to be doing, is I'm going to be looking at specific stocks, and I'm going to be reducing my position size in the coming week, because I want to protect myself. You want to make sure that you don't put all the money in. You want to make sure you have a small percentage when there's a lot of greed in the market. Usually when this is the case, a lot of people start to take in the profits, and it's not good. So there's a couple things that you look at it. So the momentum, right? There's a lot of momentum. You could see here from the relativity strength index, there's strength going into an overbought territory. Check one. The stock price breadth, we're talking about the volume. So I have been seeing volume being reduced in the next trading in the last 2 weeks. You don't see those big candles of movements too. You see little by little movement. You could see it here. It's less volume than what we would do before. I would say that the junk bond demand, apparently there's low quality bonds that are accepting like 2% in addition yield over the safer investment, meaning that people are like actually buying crap now. And then the volatility, even though the volatility is down, I don't think it could spike, right? So I don't look at this one like, oh yeah, the market's gonna crash, it's gonna be bad. I think, guys, that we have to be careful. We're getting into overbought territories. This is all-time highs. We closed all-time highs on Friday almost. This is crazy. We've never had this. And I think that you should reduce your position size. I did reduce my position size. I want to make sure I protect myself and I have enough money to buy, obviously out of margin, to buy when the market drops. Market's correct, and this is your best opportunity to get in the market. If you buy right now, then you have to look at the very long-term view, because you want to make sure that if you can take advantage of these things, of these drops, that you load up that truck. You want to make sure that if it drops, and you have your limits, that you buy. There's the 250 day moving average lines. The S&P tends to drop on those. If you look at the four hour charts, you could see that it drops on the 200. And it tends to bounce there. We're probably gonna see something like that, but again, you do your own research. We're getting into those, like you see the 4 hour chart that also shows we're in the overbought territory. The great technique is to buy when we break below that 30 RSI line. That's when you want to buy. Doesn't matter what people say. You want to buy when everything is oversold, because you're gonna make some money on the way up. So I use this indicator. This is really useful to me. I've been able to trade when I'm in the red, I sell. When I'm in the blue, I buy, and I keep doing that consistently on a 4 hour chart. I usually look at it in 180 days, and I have been able to make some money. It's simple, guys. You just have to follow the rules. You have to make sure you have a discipline, that it's right for this, and you're gonna make money. It doesn't matter what people say. Do not speculate. Make sure you do your own research when you're investing in companies, like you would do when you buy a car. Make sure you do all these things and check and be consistent. So with that, I'm gonna leave it there. I just wanted to raise the concern. I think this is important that we look into it and that we are careful. we need to be careful in the next coming weeks because we might see a market drop that could be an opportunity for us to buy. With that, I'm gonna leave it there. If you guys have questions, comment down below and subscribe to the channel, and we're definitely gonna keep keeping you posted. Thank you guys. See you later.